Hello everyone, I'm Selena from 3rd year CSE. This is my 9th experiment of web technology in which I have to use AJAX, that is asynchronous JavaScript and XML. XML is extensible markup language. This is AJAX. It's like to make changes on web page without reloading it, we use AJAX. As you can see on Facebook, when we are liking any picture or video, that page, it is not reloaded again. We just click on the like button and then it is liked. That was the example of AJAX. So in this experiment, what I have done is I have created a form in which there are two input types. One is for username, one is for password. Both one username is the input type of text. Name I have given as name, and here I have given function that is check user. This dot value means whatever we will enter in the username, that will be checked. That string will be there as argument. Then password, for that input type I have given password, name as password I have given, and then for the button I have given input type submit button, and value I have given register. Here my form name is, for form name in action I have given php9.php, that is my PHP name, and then method I have used here get, and then div id I have given here s, here text to be displayed. In script I have defined a function check user. Here str is the argument that the username what will give here, that will be taken as an argument. First I have to create an XML HTTP request object and then to send request we have to use open and send. In open, here this is the object name dot open. Inside that, here I have to use I am using here method what I have given in the form, that is get, and then here the URL php9 question mark, and then name is equals to that str what we will give, and then comma true. Here this is asynchronous, that is true, and then that will be sent. When we are using asynchronous, that is true, at that time it specifies a function. It specifies a function to be executed on the basis of response, and on the basis of response, each that on ready state change is triggered every time when ready state changes. And ready state it holds the status of the XML HTTP that object. Now I will show you my PHP file. Here what I have defined here $input, in which I have used this super global, that is $get, in which is taking the value of name, and then $name is equals to, here I have given $get inside that name, both are taking the value of name. Then for connection I have given $con is equals to mysqli underscore connect. This is my database host. This is by default username is root, and there is no password for that, and then register is the database name. Here they are checking if $name is not equals to, here nothing is given, it means null. If you are not entering anything, it means name is null. Since we are entering, then if there is some value which we have entered in name, then it will come inside this if condition, and then this is the query to be done, and result is equals to mysqli underscore query. That query will be executed on this connection in this register database. In that this query will be executed, and here I have defined $hint is equals to nothing, means nothing is written in that. If dollar input is not equals to nothing, it means something we have entered, then there is a while loop. While $a is equals to MySQLi fetch array dollar result, whatever is there in the result, it will fetch that value, and that will get added to $hint. And at the end, if there is some value in dollar, here this is a condition in which it is checking if there is some value in dollar hint or not. If there is some value in dollar hint, then it will that whatever they got in this by executing that query the result that will be there in that then it will show username does exist. Means this is the conditional this is the condition I have given. If this is true, then this will execute it. If this condition is true, then this will be shown. If this condition is not true, means it is false, then this will be displayed. This will be displayed. And here $hint, it will store the whatever, like here it will show whatever is there, whatever they get in result, that will be stored in hint. That will be the username, and then at the end it will show the username, and then after everything the connection will get closed. I'll show you the output here. Here I'm giving here you are 14CS043. This is the username, and in password I'm giving, if it is there, it will show username does exist, welcome, you are 14CS043. Here in table I have given the username and password. So this was my 9th experiment of web technology lab. Thank you for watching.